Hi all. In this video, I would like to talk about the latest feature from Cloud that's about artifacts. So let's get started. So artifacts allows us to experiment with Cloud and then create our own, let's say, front-end base applications or interactive dashboards so that we can later work on top of it. So let's get into some examples. So right now I have Netflix open, and I'm going to add a screenshot of that particular window with Cloud. So that's going to be one of the images shared with Cloud, and I'm going to ask Cloud, can you create a web app website uh, similar to the screenshot. So let's see. So so as you can see, this is the window, and yeah. So immediately you can see that on the right hand side it has started the code. It is generating some code. Um, and you can quickly see even the preview is also provided, and on top of this I can ask it to maybe change the color codings and whatnot. So it's also like, for example, you can click it, and let's say you want to basically publish it. So for example, there is this feature publishing this artifact, so anybody can access it, and then they can basically do some kind of remix this particular artifact. So let's say I just publish it, and then I just share this particular link. So now, yeah, there is basically a small disclaimer. And then let's say if I want to work on this artifact, so it actually shows the artifact which I just generated, and anybody can look at it, and then they can continue working on top of this. So let's just imagine you are in a team, and then you just share these samples within your team, or get some approval, let's say from another stakeholder. So you just remix the artifact so that you can continue working on top of it. And then, for example, it'll just reproduce the artifact so that in your particular chat window, you can actually work on it. So you can customize this. So this is one thing. So two things we have seen. So one is we have attached the screenshot, and then Cloud was able to basically create the application so that you can work on it. And then the second thing is you can actually publish the artifact, and others can actually use it, and they can customize that and start working on top of it. So now let me just go to the next sample, wherein, let's say I just ask Cloud to create me interactive dashboard of sales versus profit for 3 years with some sample data. So let me see what happens. So here, so it is using React and Recharts to create a particular dashboard. So let's see, it itself is generating some sample data, and now it's trying to create some components, React based components to view it. So here you can see that it has generated some graph. So you can choose a particular year. So this is almost just took few seconds. So likewise, you can just publish this artifact, and then you can work on this artifact. You can share with your teammates, and you can work on this artifact. So this is another use case. So now let's go to a very simple use case. So now I'll just ask it, create a Flappy bird game, which is interactive, fully functional JavaScript app, right? So let's see the output of Cloud. So right now it is just started creating the code, and let's just wait for few seconds, and then we can see whether we can play this Flappy Bird game or not. So few years ago, we might have come across this particular game. Okay, so there seems to be some kind of issue. Probably a lot of people are using it and it got stuck, but still, it is working. It is actually working. So okay, it has actually told me to try this, create a new HTML file, copy this into this. Okay, now I'll just ask it, can you create the HTML file by yourself and give me. So let's see. So it should just be able to create a complete HTML file. Um, so it says self-contained web page. So in this video, I just want to play the game within this browser. So I'm just waiting for it to finish generating. So yeah, so it says press any key to restart. So let's say yeah. So okay. So I'm just pressing the space bar. So it is actually okay. Game over. So this is a very cool feature from Cloud, and so you don't need to have, let's say, a very complex or a very deep knowledge into things. You can get started with whatever ideas you have, let's say, and then probably someone who is very skilled in these aspects, for example in JavaScript, somebody who knows what's happening, maybe they can improve upon. So you can, let's say you have some ideas, you want to change few things, you can share with them, and then they can get started. So this is a very good starting point for many folks. And so in this video itself, we have seen a few use cases wherein you can leverage cloud artifacts. So thanks for watching. So if you have liked this video, if it has helped you to understand a little bit about cloud artifact feature, please feel free to share with your friends or colleagues, and then please subscribe to my channel so that it lets me know that people are interested to watch more videos based on this content, and it will encourage me to create more such videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.